Good morning, children. Good morning. Simply you are wasting your time in home, right? But I gave so much work for you to write in classwork. Is it? Maths, EVS. Is it? So write neatly in classwork, okay? And now I want to take class for second standard children's. Second standard children, EVS subject. I am taking EVS. Okay. Clothes we wear. Fourth lesson is clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. Today's date right now 8th of August, Saturday. So fourth lesson is clothes we wear. So daily as usual we are wearing a clothes. Why we are wearing a clothes? Do you know why? Because to protect our body, to cover our body. Is it? If we are not wearing clothes, all will look at us and they will shame on us, right? So, for that sake, we are wearing a clothes to cover our body. And the clothes is, when we are wearing a clothes, it helps to protect from cold. It helps to protect from hot. And it helps to protect from insect bite, mosquitoes, some flies, they will disturb us, is it? When they bite means we are getting itchiness. So, when we are wearing a cloth, it will protect us from hot, cold and insect bites. And it is useful to cover our body. So, there are so many types of clothes are there. Types of clothes. Types of clothes. Types of clothes means we wear different clothes in different seasons. We wear light colored clothes in summer. Light colored clothes. Clothes in summer. And cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Light color clothes and cotton clothes we are wearing in summer season because it absorbs the sweat from our body. It keeps us cool. If we are wearing a cotton clothes or light colored clothes. Light color means light pink, light yellow, light red, light orange. Is it? These are the light colors we should wear in summer season. It will absorb the sweat from our body. It cools our body. Okay. So, this is a type of cloths. Cotton cloths. From where we are getting a cotton cloths? We are getting cotton cloths from cotton plant. Cotton plant. Have you seen the cotton plant? No, na? Tell your parents to show you a cotton plant in somebody's field. Okay. See the cotton plant, from that cotton only the cotton cloths were preparing. The cotton, what it is, cotton khadi bandas are there. There we are getting only cotton cloths prepared by the cotton. Okay, and in winter season we are wearing woolen cloths. Woolen cloths. From where we are getting a woolen cloths? We are getting a woolen cloths from animals like sheep. Is it? And leather from cow's skin, buffalo skin. Is it? Woolen cloths we are wearing in winter season. Our body will keep us warm when we are wearing a woolen cloths. From where we are getting woolen? We are getting woolen from sheep. Okay. And leather bag, leather coats, leather shoes, that we are getting from cow's skin or buffalo skin. Okay. Vanity bag, belt, shoes. Okay. Jerkin, coat, that is made up of leather. Leather we are getting from cow skin or buffalo skin or any other animal skins. Okay, and we are also wearing a silk cloths. Okay, silk sarees, silk dresses. This is silk we are getting from silkworm. That is an insect. In a higher classes you will see what is a silkworm. Okay, and next in rainy season we are wearing a raincoats. We are wearing raincoats. Raincoats because to protect us from rain, and we are using a umbrella. Is it? When we are using umbrella, we are not wetting in rain. In rainy season, we are using a raincoats and we are using a umbrella to protect us from rain. And some fibers. Do you know what you mean by fibers? Fibers. By fibers only our clothes will prepare, okay? Fibers only the clothes will get ready. Fibers. Fibers. In fibers, two types. First is natural fiber. Natural fibers. What do you mean by natural fibers? Natural fibers are made by natural substance. Natural fibers means natural cloths made by natural substance. It means natural things. Example, cotton, jute. Understood? Cotton, jute, wool. Okay, these are the natural fibers. It is made by natural things. Naturally we are growing a cotton plant. Okay, naturally we are getting jute. Naturally we are getting a wool because by ship only we are taking that wool. This is called as natural fibers. If somebody asks what do you mean by natural fibers means a cloth made by natural things. Natural things, example cotton, jute, wool. These are the natural fibers. So next is synthetic fiber. Second one is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers is made by what? Artificial things. It is a man-made. Synthetic means man-made. Man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers means man-made fibers, artificial. It is we are not getting naturally. Example by thread. Okay, thread, nylon, plastic. Okay, that are the synthetic fibers made by man. By thread we are nowadays the women's were doing the bangles, thread earrings, and for sarees they are using a thread. Here for down lace they are using a thread to do a stylish saree. Is it? And nylon, we are using a nylon dresses. Okay, nylon chudidars or something the man-made. These are the man-made fibers. Synthetic fiber means man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are easy to wash. It is easy to wash. They dry easily and not expensive. We should wear synthetic clothes during summer, and while cooking also, lighting fireworks, these cloths catch fire easily and not comfortable. They do not absorb sweat easily. Synthetic fibers means it is best when we have to use means in summer seasons we have to use a synthetic fibers. Okay, that it catches a fire while we are cooking. So be careful while we are when we are preparing a food, and it is not comfortable. Okay, for up to a long time when we are wearing a synthetic fibers means we are not comfortable in that clothes. So always we have to use a natural fibers, natural cloths we have to use. Okay, and next is care of clothes. We should take care of clothes while washing our clothes. Some fabrics cannot be washed easily at home, but some fabrics need proper care. They cannot be washed with water, they are washed with petrol. This is called dry cleaning. Clothes should be washed regularly. Wear clean and iron clothes. Clean, well-fitting clothes make us feel comfortable. See, care of clothes. How to care the clothes? Daily, whatever we are wearing a clothes, we should wash regularly. Understood? We should wear ironed clothes, clean clothes. We should not wear untidy clothes. Okay. If we are wearing untidy clothes means that diseases will spread. If you are playing in mud, that shirt only you are wearing next day means that whatever the some organisms are present in that dust particle, it will absorb our body and again we are getting sick. Is it? So we should we should wear clean and ironed clothes, and always we should wash our clothes daily. And some clothes are there we should not wash regularly. For that sake we are giving a dry cleaning. We should not wash that clothes with water. That clothes are washed with petrol. Okay, for that sake only we are giving for dry cleaning. We should take care of the clothes. This is a completion of the 4th chapter, clothes we wear, for the 2nd standard. I will give notes through the WhatsApp just to write neatly in a classwork. Okay, thank you.